Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix common errors in MetaTrader 5 in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First thing you can try is you can go ahead and change your uh, internet connection. So what you want to do is you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and then connect to your data. That normally fixes the problem. But if the issue still persists, what you can do is you can go to your settings. From settings, you want to scroll down and look for apps. There we go. Then from here, you want to search for MetaTrader 5. So just type in here MetaTrader 5. Then you have several options here. First, you can go ahead and force stop the app. Just click the force stop icon at the bottom. And you can also click storage and clear both data and cache. Then after that, go ahead and try if the error is now gone in your MetaTrader 5 app. But if the error is still there, what you can do next is you can go ahead and uninstall the app. Just go ahead and click uninstall and then reinstall it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. And that's it. Now you know how to fix common errors in MetaTrader 5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.